everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to fix the Steam Cloud Sync error that a lot of players face when they're trying to launch their favorite games. So let's just get started. So sometimes it's not your PC, it's Steam itself. So you can go over and see if there's server down. You can check it out first. And once you do so, what you can do is if you have opened up the Steam application on your screen, you can close it off completely. So you can either cross out Steam if it has been open on your screen, or if not, from here what you can do is you can just go over to your task manager, hit Windows plus X for that, and go over to task manager. After that, hit enter. Once you hit enter, you should be opening up your task manager. Now look out for the Steam option from the given processes, and once you find it up, you just go ahead and expand it up. You just need to right click on Steam that you find, and once you find it, right click on it, look out for the end task option, confirm it up, and once you do so, you can close this up and restart the Steam application again and see if the sync works on Steam. And another thing you can do is you can verify your game files. So for that, once you open up your Steam, you may just go ahead and verify your game files. So right click on the game with the sync error. For example, let's say this is the game. After that, you need to find the option for properties and open it up. And from there, you can go to installed file option. I have not installed any game. And you can click the verify integrity of game files and restart the game after the check. You can just go ahead and do so. This is another method you can follow. And also enable Steam Cloud if you have not done so. So look out for the Steam option in the top. Click on it. And from there, you can go to settings. Head over and open it up. And once you open it up, you can go to the cloud option here and open it up. And once you open it up, make sure this option called enable Steam Cloud is checked. Check it up, and that should also do it. And you can even try deleting the client registry.love. So you can close your Steam completely for that.